Next example, 7x minus 2y by xy equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y by xy equal to 15. Okay, in this case split the x and y terms. Okay, 7x by xy minus 2y by xy which is equal to 5. Next equation, 8x by xy plus 7y by xy equal to 15. Okay, here x cancel, y cancel, here x cancel, y cancel. So this equation becomes 7 by y minus 2 by x equal to 5, 8 by y plus 7 by x equal to 15. Okay, we know how to solve these two equations. Let 1 by y equal to a and 1 by x equal to b. Okay, 7 by y, 7a minus 2b equal to 5, equation 1. Next, 8 into y, 8 into 1 by y, 8a plus 7b equal to 15. Okay, this is our linear equation 2. Try to solve 1 and 2 equation. We will get a and b values. A is nothing but 1 by y, b is nothing but 1 by x. Okay, so we will get x and y values. Okay, try to solve. Next example, 6x plus 3y equal to 6 into xy. Okay, next equation, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. In this case we have two solution. One solution is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Okay, other solution, 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, divide with xy on both sides. Okay, xy get cancel, splitting these two terms, 6x by xy plus 3y by xy equal to 6. In same way, 2x plus 4y by xy, 5xy by xy, divided with xy. Okay, 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equal to xy get cancel, equal to 5. Here x cancel, y get cancel. This equation becomes 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 6. Here x cancel, 2 by y plus 4 y cancel, 4 by x equal to 5. Here let 1 by x equal to a, 1 by y equal to b. This equation becomes 6 by y, means 6 into 1 by y, 6b plus 3 into 1 by x, 3a equal to 6. This equation becomes 2b plus 4a equal to 5. Okay, solve. Try to solve these two equations. Okay, next example, 10 by x plus y plus 2 by x minus y equal to 4, 15 by x plus y minus 5 by x minus y equal to minus 2. In this case, let 1 by x plus y equal to a and 1 by x minus y equal to b. Okay, so this equation become 10 into 1 by x plus y, it means 10a plus 2 into 1 by x minus y, 2 by 2b equal to 4. Okay, this is our equation 1. Next, 15a plus minus 5b equal to minus 2. Okay, here we have two linear equations. Okay, try to solve these two equations. After solving 1 and 2, we get a equal to 1 by 5 and b equal to 1. Okay, A equal to 1 by 5. A is nothing but 1 by x plus y equal to 1 by 5. B is nothing but 1 by x minus y equal to 1. Okay. X plus y equal to 5. X minus y equal to 1. Okay. Here we have two linear equations. 1 and 2. Okay. X minus y equal to 1. Solving 2x, adding these two equations, 2x equal to 6, x equal to we get 3. Okay, 6 by 2, 3. And x value substitute in the equation 1, x plus y equal to 5, x value 3 plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus 3, 2. Okay, here x equal to 3, y equal to 2. Okay. Next example, 1 by 3x plus y plus 1 by 3x minus y equal to 3 by 4. Okay, next equation, 1 by 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 by 2 into 3x minus y equal to minus 1 by 8. Okay, in this case, let here 3x plus y, 3x plus y. Okay, so 1 by 3x plus y equal to a. See, next term 3x minus 1 y. 1 by 3x minus y. Here 1 by 2 into 3x minus y. So 1 by 3x minus y equal to b. Okay, first equation becomes a plus b equal to 3 by 4. Next equation, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x plus y. 1 by 2 into a plus minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 3x minus y. It is b minus 1 by 8. Okay. A plus b equal to, which is equal to 4a plus 4b. 4 comes to this side into 4b equal to 3. This is equation 1. Next equation, here take LCM 2. A minus b equal to minus 1 by 8 to 4 times. Okay, by 4 comes to this side into 4. 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Okay, this is our equation 2. Try to solve these two equations. After solving, a value equal to 1 by 4 and b value 1 by 2. Okay, all of you should solve 1 and 2 equations. You will get a equal to 1 by 4, b equal to 1 by 2. Okay, here a is nothing but 1 by 3x plus y equal to 1 by 4. Here 3x plus 4 equal 3x plus y equal to 4. This is one linear equation. Equation 3. Okay. Same way, b equal to 1 by 2. B is nothing but 1 by 3x minus y equal to 1 by 2. Here 3x minus y equal to 2. This is linear equation 4. Okay. And try to solve 3 and 4 equations using any algebraic method. Okay. So here after solving we get x value x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. Okay. Is it clear? What we have done here in these equations, 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 common terms. So 1 by 3x plus y equal to 3x plus y is a common term. So 1 by 3x plus y equal to a and 1 by 3x minus y equal to b. Okay. So these equations become a plus b, 4a plus 4b equal to 3, and second equation 4a minus 4b equal to minus 1. Okay. After solving these two equation, we get a value, b value. A is nothing but 1 by 3x plus y. B is nothing but 1 by 3x minus y. Okay. So we get two linear equation. After solving these two equation, we get x and y values. Okay. Is it clear?